Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're unboxing the November Simply Earth recipe box. And a quick 2-minute introduction in case you do not know what Simply Earth is. It is an essential oil brand. They have a subscription box. It is a recipe box that you get monthly. It is $45 per month. You get all of the stuff I'm going to show you. The value is always way over the amount that you pay each month. And I do have a code that I'll put down below. It's TOREYNOORAFREE, and it will give you $45 back to use on other product or your next month or whatever. So you get oils, recipes, and things you might need to make the recipes. You won't get like baking soda or like typical household products or ingredients, but you usually get most of what you need. So I'm going to show you what's in the November box. November and December are really exciting months because it's usually, you know, curated around the holiday season. So it makes me happy, and if you like making gifts or just getting really excited about the holiday season, you'll like November and December. Because I already have November or December too, and it is really good. So you're going to want to just subscribe now to get that one too. Okay, so this is kind of what the box looks like. You get 4 oils here. Oh, so this is the monthly box, and it ships just like this. Like the label is on the back. This is what you get. But on your first order, when you use my code, you get a big bonus box. It's like this big, comes with coconut oil, solid and fractionated, almond oil, beeswax, little pellets. You use that a lot in different recipes. And then some bottles that you might need, rollers, things like that. So it's a really good deal. Okay, so if you're already subscribed though, just your regular monthly box will come just like this. And I'll show you the oils first. Another side note, at this point, you guys know I have so many essential oils, and I've been getting this box for a long time now, and so I have more oils than I can use. So when I get a duplicate oil, I save that one out and put it in a bin for giveaways, and I'm doing 12 days of giveaways, and there are lots of essential oils in my bin right now. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on my 12 days of giveaways. Okay, I think that's the last side tangent I'm gonna go on. All right, frankincense. This is a really expensive oil, you guys. So it's really exciting that we're getting it in this month. And if it's like the king of essential oils. You will use this so much. At first, it's very, I don't know, to me, it was what the very first thing I diffused was frankincense and lavender. And frankincense is very like off-putting to me because it's just not like a sweet and floral, like beautiful scent. It's very like resiny, but now I love it, and frankincense is used a lot. Okay, next oil is cassia. This is an oil that I also already had and have used previously, and so this will be in one of the giveaways. Frankincense, I believe, will be as well. But anyways, this one is, let's see, cinnamon. Oh, it's warm and spicy aroma. The back of these bottles tell you a lot about each oil, which I love. They're endless on like education and making sure you know about your oils, how to use them safely, and really like different cool ways to use them. This is a lot like cinnamon, but a little more, I don't know, maybe sweet, maybe like earthy, where cinnamon is just like the spice. So this is, it actually smells really good. A lot of diffuser, like holiday diffuser blends will have cassia, or if it calls for cinnamon and then you have cassia instead, you can always swap. Next is ylang ylang, or ylang ylang, however you want to say it. This is also a really like fancier oil. I love this oil a lot. I've never had the Simply Earth one, so I'm really excited to see how this one smells compared to all of my others. I think the Young Living one is the one I use the most, but it says sweet and floral. This one's from China, and it's from the flowers of the plant. So if you are not familiar, the essential oils are steam distilled most of the time from either the plant parts like the leaf, the stem, flower, all parts of the plant. So it specifies this is from the flowers, and that's why it is just, oh, it's so like a mellow floral scent. This smells so good. I could wear this and diffuse this all day. It's a very common essential oil to use in perfumes. It smells amazing. I love it. It's in a lot of like bedroom blends. I have a whole video on that. Look up, it's like Valentine's or like oils for couples. And that's in a ton of those type of blends and uses. And then lastly, you get Focus, which is an essential oil blend. So you get 3 singles and a blend each month. So this one is going to, obviously, the name says it all, focus cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. And this is one that I did already have too, so this one will be giving away. I'll be giving away soon. Ooh, so it's like the eucalyptus and kind of medicinal, but then it's also sweet. So it's a really good blend. What was the first? Cardamom? This is a really well-balanced blend. Okay, so the theme this month is gift giving, which I love making gifts for the holidays. I don't know about you, but I love making them and then making them cute too. So like you'll get cute, I don't know, we'll go over all the recipes, but making it pretty. Okay, the value for this box, I told you those two oils, frankincense and ylang ylang, were like more fancy. The value for this box is $304.50. It's usually between $100 and $200, like $150, $170, but this value, you guys, go right now, go order this box. They don't have an unlimited supply either, so they run out usually towards like the 20th of the month, so you do have, you know, a couple days still, but you don't want to miss this one. That value is incredible. So let's see, now we'll do the, actually there's one thing I wanted to share, I think, off of this. Oh, before I forget too, they help end human trafficking. So they're, what they do is give 13% back, and then they have a bunch of different places that they work with, and all of that's on their website too. So that, I thought that was a really cool, like just a sweet bonus of using this brand. Here are the recipes. They're really cute, and they have a box on their website that you can buy too to kind of keep them all in. This one is Cheerful Giver Roll On. So on the front is the recipe. Sometimes it carries on to the back, but also they have different information. So this one is about the 13% giving back to help fight and human trafficking. This is just like a summary of the oils and kind of how you use them, safety, and this is very helpful actually, because if you have pets, it will have whether each oil is dog or cat safe. So I love that. Like I said, they are all about educating you and making sure you use your oils correctly. This one will have a sneak peek of next month, so make sure you look at front and back. But anyways, the roll-on is Focus Ylang Ylang, and then you put it in a roller, which you'll get in your big bonus box. And your fractionated coconut oil is what you dilute that with, which you'll also get. Holiday Spice Diffuser Blend. You also get a recipe each month to make a blend. So you'll have empty bottles in your big bonus, and you just put like 20 or however many, 40 drops, 20 drops of the oils in here to make a new blend. So you're basically, it's like you're getting 5 oils, 5 different ones at least. Essential oil bottle reed diffuser. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. What comes with that? Okay, here's the reeds. What is this? I don't think that goes in there. Okay, here are the reeds. So it says you're going to make the 5 ml master blend of holiday spice. Okay, so you make this first and then use it to put onto the reeds. They absorb the oil, and then after a few hours flip them so that they diffuse into the air. I like reed diffusers. It's just a different and fun way to use your oils and diffuse them. Next is a mini macrame plant hanger. If you can see, I have so many plants everywhere, and hanging plants are my favorite. This is macrame and a couple of beads, and they'll give you directions on how to make a little plant hanger. I'm really excited about this. I will definitely show you guys once I'm done. So you cut, hold the strands, do the beads. It seems pretty simple. There's a diagram too on the back, so you can kind of see, and you kind of knot it and tie them together, and it makes a little plant hanger. Okay, Royalty Facial Serum. Ooh, this is exciting. I love essential oils and skincare. So I'm assuming this is what you use for that. This is a pretty little bottle. I have a couple of these already. Isn't that pretty? And then, like, this is what I'm talking about. A little serum like this for a gift for someone. I will definitely be giving this to someone. This is beautiful. Okay, so you put frankincense and almond oil. And there are a bunch of different carrier oils. And that is just basically an oil that will help dilute your essential oils to make them spread across a bigger surface, help penetrate the skin. You want to make sure you're using a carrier oil if you have sensitive skin, but also just to save like money and make your oils last longer. With that being said, there are lots of different ones, and so I'll try to put down below or here or somewhere a resource for you to check out different carrier oils for different skin types, because almond oil might not be the best for you, but it is a good general one. I also like jojoba, but there's a bunch of different oils for different skins, so check that first. But this is a really good, I can't wait to give away. I might order more of these and just make a bunch of these for people for little gifts. I love that. Okay, winter, this is the last one. Yeah, winter flower bath salts. Oh my gosh, another perfect gift. Okay, so you're gonna put that in here, I'm assuming. I think we made this last year, if I'm not mistaken. Perfect gift. This, you can tie some cute ribbon on here or print something with your Cricut. They do come with labels though. Let's show you that really quick. But if you want to get even fancier, like make your own labels, but what a good gift. So you just put fractionated coconut oil, ylang ylang, frankincense, and then Epsom salt. Mix it all together, and then you have a cute little bath salt gift. Love this so much. This is one of my more exciting, like I'm really excited about this one boxes. I love gift giving and I love skincare. If you have any questions on Simply Earth, please let me know in the comments below. I will put my description, or I will put my link and my coupon code in the description so you can save or get that $45 back, which is such a good deal, like a no-brainer if you ask me. So, and with the value being $300, you guys, you have to at least subscribe, get this, get your $45 back. You can cancel your subscription at any time, but this you cannot miss. I've never seen that big of a value on these boxes before. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.